Hi, it's Annette at needlepointers.com, and today I would like to show you how to make quick and easy fabric gift bags. To make the fabric gift bag, you'll need fabric, cord, pinking shears are recommended, a scissor, iron, sewing machine, and basic sewing supplies. This reusable fabric gift bag can be made in any size to suit your present. To determine the fabric size, measure the gift. Don't forget to measure the width also. Then cut the fabric 1 to 2 inches wider and 4 to 5 inches longer than this measurement. For this tutorial, I'm making a finished bag measuring 16 inches by 9 inches. So I cut my fabric 18 inches by 10 inches to allow for seams and the finishing of the top. After you've cut the fabric, take the two pieces and place them right sides together using a 1/2 inch seam allowance. So first one side, then the other side, and then sew the bottom. You don't want the seams on the inside of your bag to fray. So the easiest way, and the thing that I recommend, is to use a pinking shears to clip away part of the seam close to where the stitching is. If you don't have pinking shears, you could use the zigzag stitch on your sewing machine to finish the seams. Here's the bag after I've pinked the side and bottom seams. The next thing you're going to do is turn it right side out. When you do that, push out the corners. And now we're going to finish the top. The next step is to fold the top towards the inside 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch. Now, I don't even use a ruler, I just eyeball it, and you can do the same and do that all the way around. Then fold it again a second time because you don't want any raw edges at the top. Now we're going to stitch close to the inside fold. The final step is to attach a piece of cord to the top so that we can tie the gift bag shut. Now, I have a little tip for you. Sometimes this cord might unravel. What I do is I take a little piece of Scotch tape, I wrap it around the end tightly, and then I trim it, and this will prevent the cord from unraveling. Your cord should be cut about 28 inches long, and what you're going to do is fold it in half, put it in the middle of the bag, one side of the bag, about 3 inches down from the top, and I machine sew it in place there. You can either machine sew it or you can hand stitch it if you prefer. Here you see I have it attached. Then tuck your gift inside and tie the bag shut. That's it. You've just made a cute and functional fabric gift bag. One thing nice about these bags is they only take about a 1/2 hour to make. Once you've made one, I'm sure that you'll make many more to give your presents in these gift bags to family and friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, and X. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of other free sewing projects and tutorials. While you are there, sign up for our weekly newsletter so you don't miss future projects. Happy sewing!